Bubba, is Van gonna be proud of you?
Might get a sticker for the day.
Alright guys, Lou Chandler Inc. We are tearing down right here. Got the restroom almost already down. RT's doing a fantastic job of getting it down nice and quick. Hit the subscribe button below, Lou Chandler Inc. Appreciate it.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is John Moe with the news. A building over here at Tinsley Park had a bad day today. Run into a track hole with RT driving it.
Alright guys, channel is Lou Chandler Inc. This is the food bank job in Shreveport. From the video the other day you can tell that all the trees have been cleared. We're slowly hauling them off now. Got a couple more piles to go. This will be a parking lot as soon as they get all this out. And we'll undercut it and bring in some rock, get it to grade and start pouring concrete. Thanks guys, Lou Chandler Inc. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in to Lou Chandler Inc. We are loading these trees up now. Get this stuff out of here, get ready for the parking lot to go in, which should start next week after the rain. Give me a thumbs up on the like button for Lou Chandler Inc. guys, appreciate it.